Trey, are we ready to go?
Yes, sir, we sure are.
He called me sir. That's cool, ain't it? So, goodbye Carver's Gap. Hello Roan High Knobs. Whoo, buddy. I can't get my thermometer to read any lower than 43. Trey, look what I found.
I'd say that's pretty deep.
I didn't reach bottom yet.
Whew.
It's amazing, isn't it? The higher we get, the warmer it gets. It says 51 degrees. We're down to t-shirts. Dropped from almost 50 degrees down to 35. Here we are on the AT. Last little section over to Roan High Knob through the rhododendron and the spruce. We got NC Winter Hiker. This is pretty. This is hard going. We got 4 or 5 foot drifts on top of the trail that's on the slope. Looks nice and easy going down there, doesn't it? Well, it's not, because the pulk wants to go that way. It's gotten below 20. Here we are, Roan High Knob Shelter. Well, I reckon I'll call this home. I'm hanging this sock without a tarp. See how well it blocks the wind. You can hardly see it, huh? Being white.
Is that any good?
I hope Medicine Man's thinking.
Yeah, I think so. You go take this. Give my food back.
Walter, is your tarp going to catch on fire?
I hope it does. Still John doesn't have not Rogers. No.
Well, here we are. Saturday at noon, cooking brats. There's only 3 of us here. Maybe 4. I heard the Medicine Man is still turned in over there. Man, it's blowing like stink up here. I had to rig a brake for the wind. Maybe you can hear it. It's been howling for 18 hours. I'm going to see something amazing. Look at these clouds flying over us. I like your hat, man. I got my hat in the back of my hood.
Voyage
McIntyre.
3 bumps on a log.
Yep. Comes on a log, trying to get the purifier going. We had it. It left. It's coming back.
Man, I can't wait for the day.
Nice day up here on the mountain. We built a little wind shelter here. Block things off. And our little cabin in the woods. Not much to look at. Kept the wind off. Yeah, I think we got the bees earlier.
This is a great thing to see.
Winter camper's coming up with about a quarter forward. Yeah? Anybody helping him?
Nah, there's a couple guys that came in behind me.
Okay.
And look, a bit
Take it in there! Darken in pretty good, man. Great.
using all my strength.
Is this standard equipment now?
Yes.
The hiker's pen?
It's an EpiPen, man.
Oh, okay.
It
Cool.
might go down tonight.
Okay.
Stab him in the heart.
There you go. All right, well, you're just in time. We're getting potatoes ready. We'll get some steaks on soon. Got us a real cooking fire going now?
Smiling.
There's a green monster inside there. We'll get a shot of him in a minute. Sir,
She don't
first
like
we got to
video
say
either.
hello to
Yep,
Shutterbug.
video on.
So did you get any help?
Buster helped me. Buster helped us like a nice little steak stretch right here coming up.
That's what's going to cook our steaks. Cooking steaks, courtesy of Medicine Man. Thank you very much, Medicine Man. This rat goes fire. I'll burn the rest of it so we don't get no visitors. Nothing like it. Downhill pulking.